In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix file unreadable in Google Drive. When Google Drive says a file is unreadable, it's usually not the file itself that's broken. Most of the time, the issue comes down to your browser blocking something behind the scenes, or a quirky path on your computer that makes the upload choke. Let's walk through a simple, reliable flow to get your file readable again. Start by finding the file on your computer and moving it somewhere simple. If it's buried in deep folders, especially inside places like downloads with multiple subfolders, drag it onto your desktop or into your documents folder, then try uploading it again. Shortening the path helps avoid hidden permission and path length issues that can confuse uploads. If that doesn't do it, rename the file to keep things clean and standard. Remove special characters, symbols, and super long strings. Stick to letters and numbers. Underscores and dashes are usually fine too. For example, change something like Project Final v3 PDF to Project Final v3 PDF. Keep the file extension the same so Drive still knows what type of file it is. On Windows, it's also important to confirm you actually have rights to the file. Right-click the file, choose Properties, then open the Security tab. Make sure your current user account has full control. If it doesn't, adjust the permissions, apply the changes, and try uploading again. If you're on a managed device, keep in mind your organization's policies may limit what you can change. Now, if the file is already in Drive but shows unreadable or unsupported when you click it, shift focus to the browser. Cached data can get out of date and make the Google viewer misbehave. Open your browser settings, clear cached images and files, then refresh the tab and try opening the file once more. You're not deleting the file itself, just clearing old viewer data. If you're still stuck, open a private browsing window. On most browsers, that's Ctrl+Shift+N. Sign back into Drive and open the file there. Private mode runs with a clean slate and usually disables extensions by default. If the file opens fine in private mode, you'll know an extension or strict content blocker is likely interfering in your normal session. By simplifying the file's location, cleaning the name, confirming permissions, and refreshing the browser environment, you'll resolve the most common causes of unreadable files in Google Drive. Try these in order, and you should be back up and running quickly.